I am Imran Nirlikar from Shastri Nagar Secondary MPS School. So I welcome all of you for the state level
Sir, you're not audible.
lecture. Audible? I am not audible. Just a second. Am I audible, man? Hello? 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 Madam, am I audible? Hello? Hello? Madam, am I audible? Video on, video on. Hello? Hello? Am I audible, madam? Hello? 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 Am I audible? Hello? 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 Am I audible, madam?
Sir, please see the settings.
Hello,
You're not
madam.
audible.
I am not audible. Okay, wait, just a second, just a second. Hello? Hello? Am I audible, madam?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello? Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, you're audible now.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Sorry for the technical problem. So I am Imran Nirlikar from Shastri Nagar Secondary MPS School, and I welcome all the students and all the dignitaries today on this state level lecture from NCM. So, as you all know, that in this pandemic we are taking these online lectures. Today we are going to discuss one more topic from grammar, very very important in the means of communication and the means of exam also. It is very easy but important topic from grammar. So today I am going to take articles. The name of my topic is articles from grammar. As you all know that articles are very very important in grammar, and so many students they don't know what are articles, when to use them. So many students in writing they use articles anywhere in the sentences. They don't know the proper place of articles in the sentences. So today we are going to discuss articles. According to exam also it is very important for the students. In exam compulsory questions are asked on articles. That's why you should listen this properly and note down all the details in your notebook so that you can practice at home and learn articles. If you have any doubt in learning, you can ask me in the end. Okay. So we'll start today. Articles. Articles are of two types. There are two types of articles. The first type is definite article. The first type of article is definite article, and second type of article is indefinite articles. Definite article and indefinite article. These are two main types of articles. Now, definite means what? When we are sure about something, it is called as definite. And indefinite means we are not sure about something. It is called as indefinite article. Now, these are two main types of articles. And in definite article, the article which is used in definite article is the. The article which is used in definite article is the. And in indefinite articles, there are two types of articles. In indefinite, there are two types of articles. They are a and. These are two indefinite articles. These are two indefinite articles. Now, students they get confused about articles. Means when to use these articles, what is the proper place to use these articles. Some students they don't know about this. That's why this lecture it will be helpful for them to use articles in their daily life or in exam. Okay. First of all, we'll start from indefinite articles. We'll start from indefinite articles. A and. I will take these articles at a time, simultaneously I'll take. Because the main reason to take this article at a time is, even though some students they know the use of this article, some students they know already, they have studied, they have heard from somewhere, that's why they know the use. But if you see the simple basic thing, they don't know the meaning of this article. So we'll start from the meaning. Actually, the meaning of this article or am, it is one. The meaning is one. Both the meaning, both the articles and, it has same meaning. It means means one and means one. The meaning is one, same it is. The meaning of article it means one, and the meaning of article am, it means one. The meaning is same. If you know the meaning, then it will be easy for you to understand and to use it on the proper place. So when you want to say something which is one, singular, at that time you have to use these articles. Now, even though the meaning is same, means one and means one. Even though the meaning is same, but use is different. I repeat again, even though the meaning is same, use is different. It means means one and means one, even though the meaning is same. When to use the rules are different, and when to use an, rules are different. Is used in different places, and an is used on different places. And what are these rules? When to use them, I'll tell you now. Okay. First of all, we'll see an. Okay. Now an, it is used in front of singular common nouns which begins with vowels. I repeat, and I write the definition on blackboard. An is used before a singular common noun which begins with vowels. Which begins with vowels. If you see this definition, and is used before a singular common noun which begins with vowels. If you see this definition, there are some things which we have to focus, which will help us to understand the use of an. The use of an. When to use an. Now, what are those important points? An is used before singular. Singular means which is one. Singular means which is one. And is used before a singular. Common noun. Common noun. I hope you know the types of nouns. Students, it is very important to study the basics of grammar. Some students, they may feel that means even though they have studied nouns and types of nouns in third standard, fourth standard, or fifth standard, but they don't know the use, proper use. Understood? Means they have forgotten, or they have not revised that. That's why they think that learning that basic, it is not that much important. But it is important. Basics, it is very important. Now, common noun. In 2 minutes, I'll tell you what is common noun. Noun means the names of place, things, or people, etc. It is noun. There are types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. These are types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Material noun, blackboard, then pen, marker, fan, duster, window, all these are material things, non-living things. Name of these things, it is called as material noun. Collective noun, it is collection of something. For example, group, bunch of papers, bundle of sticks. So bunch, bundle, this is collective noun. Abstract noun, which we can't see but we can feel, just qualities, they are called as abstract nouns. Okay. After that, proper noun and common noun. Boy, boy, it is common noun. And name of that boy, particular name. For example, Rahul, Ramesh, Rohit, or name of a girl, particular girl, that is Suman, Sumitra. This particular name, it is called as proper noun. And a boy, name in common, boy, girl, or dog. For example, we give names to dog. That is, we call tiger, Moti, Facebook, name of dog. It is called proper noun. And common noun. Common noun, dog is a common noun. So, before a singular common noun, which begins with vowels, Now, this is very important point here. Okay, the things which I have underlined are important from this definition to understand the use of and. Vowels. What are vowels? I hope you all know that in the letters A, B, C, D, A to Z, there are vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels. 5 vowels. And remaining in A to Z, they are called as consonants. We'll come to it afterwards. These are called as vowels. These are basically called as vowels because the sound of a consonant depends on this vowel. For example, if you take B, if you divide the sound, it is B plus E. Means in the end, it ends with E. So these consonants for sound, they have to depend on these vowels. and these are main sounds. That's why they are called as vowels. Understood? So these are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Now see all of it. And is used before a singular noun, before a singular common noun which begins with vowels. For example, I'll give examples so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, for example, a common noun which is singular and which begins with vowel, that is apple. An apple. An apple means what? One apple. When the apple is one, at that time you say an apple. If you will write a apple, it is wrong. If you use a apple, it is wrong. It is grammatically wrong. You have to use an apple. That's why in the beginning I had told you that meaning is same. A means one, and means one. Even though the meaning is same, use is different. Use is different. That's why before apple we have to use an. According to this rule, singular means one. You can't write an apples. This is also wrong. Apples means plural, more than one. So before this you can't write an. An means one. An apple means only one apple. Okay. So singular, common noun. Apple is common noun, and before the vowel begins with A. Begins with A. That's why we have used an apple. Next example, that is an elephant. An elephant begins with E, and singular, an elephant. Next example, an ice cream. An ice cream. An ice cream begins with I. It is common now. Now suppose you are eating any brand, particular brand of ice cream, it will come in proper noun. But ice cream is common. Ice cream is common. So before ice cream, and means one, singular, common noun. Okay, it is common noun. Before that you will use and. O, an orange. An orange. This is also singular common noun. An orange. An umbrella. An umbrella begins with U. An umbrella. So these are the examples of vowels, common nouns which begins with vowels and which are singular, and before that we have used an. I hope you have understood the use of an. It is very easy. Once you will understand, it is very easy. Okay, but you should know this. You should know the rules of grammar. Only then you can use this properly. Your use will be perfect. While talking also and in examples. I repeat again that compulsory there will be question on articles the and the. That's why you should know this. Okay. So an is used before a singular common noun which begins with vowels A, E, I, O, U. Examples I have given. All of you note down in your notebook. I hope you have taken this. Now, second article, it is a. We'll come to the next use now. After this and, we'll see the use of a. Okay. I hope you have taken this. That's why I love this. Okay. Now see. Use of a. Use of a now. Use of a. Article a is used before a singular. Same. The meaning is same. A means one and means one. That's why singular. It is used before a singular common noun. Same common noun. Which begins with. Which begins with. Now, and is used before vowels and a is used before consonants. Which begins with consonants. That is from B to Z. From B to Z, excluding vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Don't include A, E, I, O, U in this. Remove them and excluding them in B to Z, the letters, the alphabets, the consonants. Before that, you have used a. A is used before a singular common noun which begins with consonants B to Z. For example, bat. Bat. Before this singular, a bat. Cat. B, C, all these are consonants. Begins with consonants. A cat. You can't an elephant. Just like you write an elephant. You can't write an cat. It is wrong. You can write a elephant. It will be wrong. So just like an elephant is perfect, just like that, a cat is perfect. Even though the meaning is same. A means one cat. A cat. A cat. Just like that you have to write. No? A bat, a cat. Okay. Remaining from B to Z, you can use all consonants. You can write all consonants. For example, a dog, etc. etc. Practice yourself. Write all the alphabets, which all the common nouns beginning with all these consonants. Write all the common nouns beginning with consonants B to Z and use a before that. Use a before that. Okay. Now this is very important one. It is very simple, as you will understand this. And is used before a singular common noun which begins with vowels, and a is used before singular common noun which begins with consonants. The difference is only about vowels and consonants. In front of vowels and is used, and in front of consonants a is used. I hope you have understood this because it is very easy. Okay, but you should remember this in your mind. Now I'll come to one important point. That is exceptions. Exceptions means what? There are some rules in English, grammatical rules, which is very funny also and exceptional also. Means rarely it is used. Rarely it is used. And according to those grammar rules, you have to use the particular thing only. And you can't deny that. You have to accept it because we are learning foreign language. Okay, we have to accept all these things. And when I tell you, you will understand that. And what are these exceptions? According to rule, see, I'll tell you. According to rule, a is used before a singular common noun which begins with consonants. Now I'll write here. See, honest or R. One R, one R, one R, one R means 1 hour, 60 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. If you see this, here it begins with H. It begins with H. According to this rule, it comes in consonant. H comes in consonant. A, E, I, O, U is a vowel. And H, it comes in consonants. So according to rule, you may think that here you have to use a. Here you have to use a because H is A consonant begins with consonant. Singular common noun it is are, and according to that you may use a. But we are studying exception. This is what I want to focus. So according to that, according to the rule, you should not write a r. It is an r. It is an r. It is honest, honest, an honest man. He is an honest man. You can't write he is an honest man. You can't write that. He is an honest man. Wrong. Grammatically, it will be wrong. It is he is an honest man. Because here, if you see honest, even though it writes, it is written with H, it is pronounced with O, honest. It is pronounced with O, honest man. According to this rule, before this common nouns, honest, are, an is used and not a. Understood all of you? Just like this, for example, unit. For example, unit. You will see that unit U begins with U. A-E-I-O, U. A-E-I-O, U. Now, according to this, it is a vowel. According to this, it is a vowel. U begins with vowel. And you may think that before this unit, you should use unit and unit. But this is the exception. This is what I am telling you. You have to write a unit. It is not an unit. Even though the meaning is same, grammatically, the correct rule is a unit. It is not an unit. If you write an unit, you will lose your marks. It will be wrong. In your daily life also, in day-to-day life also, you have to use a unit, not an unit. Understood all of you? So these are some of the exceptions. These are some of the exceptions which are used in English. Understood? So other than this, rarely these are used. Other than this, if you see the definition, an is used before a singular common noun which begins with vowels a, e, I, o, u, and a is used before a singular common noun which begins with consonants b to z. This is the basic rule of a and an. Using a and. I hope you have understood this and you have taken this. Note it down in your notebook. Understood all of you? Thank you. Now after this, we'll see the definite article. After this indefinite articles, we'll see definite articles. Now, in the beginning only I had told you that the is a definite article and a and these are called as indefinite articles. Now, why are they called as indefinite articles and why is the called as definite article? You will understand when we'll start, when we'll see use of the. At that time, you will understand automatically. Because see, use of the. Because first use, basic use of the is it is used to show a particular thing or a person. It is used to show a particular thing or a person. It is used to show a particular thing or a person. For example, when I say a boy, means randomly any boy, I don't know who he is. For example, a boy came in the class. A boy came in the class. A boy entered. A boy entered means anyone. One boy, but I don't know who he is. Any randomly, you don't know, I don't know. Randomly, any boy entered into the class. Like this. But when I say the boy came into the class, the boy, means I am talking about a particular person. Understood? The boy who was walking on the road means I am talking about that particular person. The boy who was walking on the road. Understood? The boy. So when we are pointing out towards a particular person, when we are talking about a particular person, particular thing, at that time we have to use the. This is what is the basic use, and which is called as definite and indefinite. Definite means we are sure about it, and indefinite we are not sure about it. A boy, a cat, a dog, and the dog. The dog means what? We are talking about that particular dog. We are talking about a particular person. A teacher means don't know which teacher. The teacher means that teacher, that particular teacher we are talking about. That particular teacher. A car means any one car, and the car means that particular car. So the it is used to show a specific particular thing or person. When we are talking about a specific thing, particular thing or a person, at that time the is used. This is the first use, basic use of the. I'll write example here. The car, the man, the boy, etc. This is the basic use of the. Okay. After this, we'll see next use. That is next use of the. It is the is used before the names of rivers. Before the names of rivers. Before the names of rivers, always article the is used. For example, the Ganga river, the Ganga, or the Yamuna, the Krishna. These are names of rivers, or the Nile river, the Nile river, the Nile, the Nile river. These are names of rivers. Before this article, the is used. The is used before the names of rivers. See here. Before the names of rivers, article the is used. Before the names of rivers, you have to use the. Then next use is before the names of musical instruments. Before the names of musical instruments. Note it down simultaneously while I am writing. Before the names of musical instrument. This is very important. Okay. Names of music, all the uses of the, it is very important. Not only this particular, but all. Names of musical instruments. For example, the guitar, the piano, the tabla, etc. etc. All these are names of musical instruments. Before that, article the is used. The. Compulsory you have to use it. Before the names of musical instrument, article the is used. Okay. Next use. Before the names of mountains. Before the names of mountains, article the is used. Before the names of mountains. For example, the Himalaya, the Mount Everest. The Mount Everest. I'll take only two examples in short because so many points are there. Names of mountains. Before the names of mountains, article the is used. For example, the Himalaya, the Mount Everest, the Sahyadri Mountains. Okay, the Sahyadris. Before the names of mountains, article the is used. Okay. After this, before the names of streets. Before the names of streets. For example, the MG Road. MG Road. the Akbar Road. No, Akbar Road, it is in Delhi. Okay, the Akbar Road, the MG Road, Mahatma Gandhi Road. Before the names of roads, streets, article the is used. Okay. Then before the names of parks, before the names of parks, before the names of parks, article the is used. For example, the National Park. National Park. Example. Okay, the National Park. Before the names of park, article the is used. Okay. Next use. Okay. Next use is 6, no? 7. 7. The thing which is one and only one in this world. The thing which is before unique things. The thing which is one and only one in this world. For example, the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. The Statue of Liberty, which is only one. Okay. The Statue of Liberty, the Taj Mahal. Before this, the thing which is one and only one in this world, unique thing. Before that article, the is used. Then before geographical things, before geographical things, before geographical things, article the is used. For example, the sun, the moon, the volcano, okay, the earthquake. Before the names of planets also, before the names of planets, the sun, the moon, before geographical things means volcano, earthquake, all this before this article the is used. Okay. Before this article the is used. Before geographical things. The sun, the moon, the volcano, the earthquake. Keep this in your mind. Before geographical things, article the is used. After this, before ordinal numbers. And what if by ordinal numbers? No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called as cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called as cardinal numbers. And first, second, third, fourth, 10th, 100th. These are called as ordinal numbers. These are called as ordinal numbers. So before these ordinal numbers, always article the is used. For example, the first boy, the second girl, the last man, the fifth person, article the is used before this. These are basic rules which are very, very important, but so many people they don't know the uses of articles. That's why they use different articles on different places. That's why their English becomes wrong while talking also and in writing also. So before ordinal numbers, article the is used. The first, the second, the last, like this. Okay. Before ordinal numbers, article the is used. After that, if you have taken this, I love this. Okay. I'll write here only. 10. Before the names of unique things. For example, the Asian countries means before the names of, just a second. Before the names of countries in common, before the names of countries in common. For example, the Asian countries, after that the USA, the UK, the USA, the UK, all these are countries in common. Understood? In Asian countries, India, China, Brazil, so many nations are included. So before the names of countries in common, group of nations, you can say group of nations. Group of nations, you can say. Before the names of group of nations or countries, countries or group of nations. The Asian countries, the USA, the UK, United Kingdom, USA. So many nations are included here in this. That's why article the is used before that. Article the is used before that. After that, the words which shows time, the words which shows time, before that article the is used. For example, in the evening, in the evening, in the morning, in the morning, in the evening. The, I'm focusing here. The. In the morning, in the evening. If you see the words which are showing time here, before that article the is used. Understood all of you? Now these are some of the basic uses of the article the. I hope you have understood. From this, the important uses are when we are talking about specific person, before the names of parks, rivers, streets, mountains, then ordinal numbers, group of nations, which shows time. These are some important uses before the names of musical instruments. All these are some important uses of article the. Before this article the is used. I hope you have understood this today. The uses of article the. Okay. Shall I stop now, madam? If the students, if anyone has any doubt or any problem, they can ask. Yes.
सर इस पे क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछे जाएंगे?
Okay. There is no doubt to anyone. That's why
Sir,
I think we
सर
yes.
इस पे क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेंगे?
Question. Okay. You know, a sentence will be given to you and you will be asked to fill up the proper article on that proper place. For example, I'll give you one example. One example. Dash is sun rises east. Dash sun rises in dash east. Now we have to use this proper article. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Like this. We have to use the proper article here. Okay. Then, for example, dash man was eating dash apple. Okay. The man was eating an apple. You have to use it. The man was eating an apple. Like this, you have to ask. Use proper article on the proper. Sometimes in bracket, articles are given. Only you have to find out which article is placed on the proper place, and according According to that, you have to use that proper article on that proper place. Understood all of you? This type of questions are asked in exam. Did you understand?
सर यस सर सर ये क्वेश्चन स्टॉप द एरर में भी पूछ सकते हैं ना?
Question it will be asked. Means instead of the and is used, instead of and the is used, and you can find out what is the error in this and remove that error and use proper article in the sentence.
यस सर.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. One more thing which is important. Not 11, 12, which one more use is before the names of epics. You know epics. Epics means Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita. These are epical books. Okay, epics. Before the names of epics also, article the is used. Means the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, the Quran, the Bible. These are also epics. Okay. So before this also, article the is used. This is one more use. Okay. 12 uses, basic uses are there. I hope you have understood now. Okay, any other doubt? If there is no doubt, then shall we stop, madam?
Yes, sir, we'll wind up.
Thank you very much.